Hello, my name's David Gibbs. This is Punk Perfection, and this is about the art of cutting hair simply. What I've developed over the last 40 years, cutting hair almost every day, is the idea whereby instead of cutting hair away from the head, we're working with a manner of cutting hair around the head, so the shape actually hugs the bone structure. The main focal points I like to work with are the eyes, the cheekbones and the lips. For the balance of the hair, of course, we use the occipital bone for the movement. The idea is the minimum amount of snips within the haircut, the minimum amount of variation there is. So once I do a line, I ask the client to shake the head, I have a look. I recheck my haircuts over and over and over again. And then the last few minutes, I just slightly deviate from the basic structure. We don't call it personalizing. I like to call it slightly more individualizing, like we all know. And that's how we create suitable functional haircuts using the most simple ideas and the most simple techniques. And I hope one day I'd be able to share that with you personally. So thanks for coming to my website. I hope I see you at one of my seminars. And anyway, you can read my book. So see you in, well, the next year or two. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.